Hi guys, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from the Yarn Garden on Etsy, and as usual I will leave a link below, and if I forget, please let me know and I will be happy to put it there. But oh my goodness, I found some yarn online that I thought was just beautiful, and I was right. I'm losing my stuff. Okay, it says thank you, and this is called Dream in Color Classy with Cashmere, and this is in the color Flashy Mint. Oh, I guess it's all on here. And this comes from Texarkana, Texas, and very quick shipping. And oh my goodness, classy with cashmere. This is worsted weight Dream sumptuously splendid hand-dyed yarn, and it says 70% superwash merino, 20% cashmere, 10% nylon, 4 ounces, 200 yards, and it's 4.5 stitches per inch, and it says to use a 7 or 8 size US needles. So I got 2 of them because I really kind of like having 2, and I don't know what I'm going to make with them yet. I might even make them into hats and just use 1 each. I'm not sure, but I just thought they were dreamy, and I don't usually get green, but my husband loves green, and so I have tended to look at green a little bit differently lately. But I love all the colors, but look at how pretty this is. It even has like some grayish purplish in there. It's just gorgeous. So again, this is from, oh, I've already forgotten. This is from somewhere on Etsy, the Yarn Garden, and I say to check them out. Like I said, I will try to remember to leave the link below. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.